Okay, so this is a hotel room tour of the Flamingo Oasis in Benidorm. We'll start at the doorway. As always, there's your usual fire escapes, etc. We are in room number 606. So you come in straight away, you've got some storage area, a few hangers there, and more space there. This one does move across to a little bit more, so yeah, plenty of space actually. Like I said, mirror and here as well. Safe, a couple of extra pillows. We'll go into the bathroom. Bathroom, double sink area, bath and shower, and well, you don't really need to see that, do you? Toilet, bidet, towels. Come into the main part. You've got the TV on the wall, bit of a desk area, fridge. I've already put something in there for my son. 2 beds, sockets, just normal European plug sockets required in those, no USBs or anything like that in these rooms. A couple of sofas. I'm not sure if one of these comes out as an extra bed, but we don't need that anyway. A couple of sofas, and then the balcony overlooking the pool, which is a really nice pool. Cold, but really nice. So yeah, just a quick note, this is our second room. We have moved rooms. This is our second day, or our first day really. Last night we were in another room which overlooked a building site where there is a crane. That was room 1317. So just be wary, you may get that room. It's just a consideration. We asked the hotel, they were very good about it. They couldn't move us yesterday, but moved us today. But like I say, that's only temporary while they're building something next door. But like I say, we've got this room. We've literally just moved into it. As you can see, there's no junk anywhere or anything. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Oh, just another thing, the aircon, obviously, up there. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.